Pampered Wolf. You can probably tell that this video is going to be completely different to all the other ones that I post on YouTube normally. For a start, I have glasses on and no makeup. I'm having a bit of a relax today. I'm having a week off. If you got my message on Friday, you will know that my MacBook Pro went boom the other day, so it is in for repair. So I'm having the week off. I'm not going to film this week. Hopefully I will have it back for the Thursday upload. Fingers crossed, we will see. But anyway, I've been asked so many times to do a house tour, and I thought, what video could I film for everybody today that doesn't take any editing or whatsoever? Because without a MacBook Pro, I can't do my editing or hook my computer up to my cameras where I do my filming. So I thought I'd oblige everybody today. We're going to do a little bit of a house tour. We're not going to go into every single room, just the rooms that I think you might be interested in. We are not going into my bedroom, by the way, because it is so embarrassingly cluttered at the moment. I've got washing all over the bed that I've just folded and need to put away. So we're going to get on with this house tour, but miss out that room. Let's get on with it. Okay, so the first room we're going to go in is Seth's bedroom. He is an absolute sport nut, as you can see. He is so excited about the new Formula One season just about to be starting. He loves pool and he loves snooker. He loves football. This has been bred into him because we are all huge Sheffield United fans in our household. And all my extended family are Sheffield United fans. He loves darts. He's got all his Sheffield United programmes up there. He loves basketball. We are avid fans of the Sheffield Sharks. He's got a little signed football from 1983 from Sheffield United there, which used to be my brother's, and he passed it on to Seth, who was extremely happy to accept. The Wall of Fame of Sheffield United, and then we've got a little wall sticker there which he absolutely loves. He spends loads of time in here. He's got his own telly and his own little stereo system there. And that, if you're wondering, this is Lionel. He used to be mine, but then Seth adopted him. In fact, he used to take him absolutely everywhere with him, which is why he's so dog-eared. But the day that he stopped taking him everywhere with him and he just used to stay on his bed was bittersweet for me. It meant he'd grown up and I was just completely dashed. But anyway, he sleeps with him every single night. So I'm going to miss out a couple of rooms, the bathroom, my room. Let's go straight into Bee's room. She loves her bedroom. She actually paid for this desk all with her own money from her birthday and all sorts of little jobs around the house. She spends most of her time sat at this desk doing little art projects because she's really, really talented and creative, so she likes to make things for her friends and she absolutely loves it. She's got a little canopy above her bed because she is a proper princess, by the way. And she's got a little TV, so she'll often just switch her TV on and just come and sit at her desk. She's into Barbie as well. There's Barbie playing on there. She's got a little whiteboard where she likes to pretend to be a teacher. She loves her teachers at school at the moment. So do I. I hope she doesn't have to move classes next year. We'll see. I love her teachers. And we've got a little space for all her bears. So she is in love with this room. This room was probably decorated about 3 months ago, so it's relatively new for her and she absolutely loves it. Now, probably time's passed a little more quicker than I thought. It's probably 6 months ago, actually. Let's go into the room that you're all interested in. This is the filming room. This is my setup. This is where I spend most of my time. So on the desk there, we've got some products that I've got sent through PR, people. PR. So this is from High Smile and it's the teeth whitening kit. Wes and I are fighting over who gets to review this because he's desperate to start using this, but I don't know whether I'm going to get to use it or whether I will give in and let him use it and do a review on it himself. So we've got my ring light and camera that's constantly just on a tripod. That camera doesn't actually move and it's full of dust. Really should be better at cleaning. In fact, on the floor down here is another camera, and if you can see at the back, there's still some confetti, 2 pieces of confetti actually, from the video that I did back in November, which was the 1 year anniversary video with the confetti cannon. That's embarrassing. So this is the video that I do all my natural lighting shots on, so I'll carry this around with me and go into different rooms. I think I've filmed in Bee's room before, and also downstairs in the adult living room. I've got some of my beauty products on there that I always put on in a morning. There is nothing posh about this room. Look, we've just stacked everything on boxes just to get everything high enough so that I can film for everybody. And my Rode mic on boom pole just so that the sound quality is a bit better, because it used to be quite tinny in this room. As you can see, it's quite echoey. That's my card from my husband Wes and the kids for getting 50,000 subscribers. It's so nice, got a really nice verse inside. And a lot of YouTubers use fake backgrounds. I don't. I actually use this room. So this is where I spend most of the time. These are my pictures from Coco Chanel quotes. Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. I don't know if you actually saw the 1-year anniversary video where I answered all your questions, but that was one of the questions. Do I have a favourite quote? Well, yes, and that is it. A girl should be 2 things: classy and fabulous. I also agree with that as well. So, hi everybody, by the way, hi. I actually use this desk on a daily basis to put my makeup on. I've got some perfumes on there as well. I'm going to be trialling out some new By Nature stuff, which I've been asked to do. It's quite pricey though, and this is just a freebie that I got from Huda Beauty, the Overachiever Concealer. I've never tried that before, so I thought I would. And on here, if you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I got this last Thursday because I was very excited about it. I'm actually going to do a review. Hopefully it'll be on Thursday. It depends on whether I get my Mac back. And we're going to compare the Naked Reloaded with the Sultry because they are very, very similar. So in this drawer, I've got all the things that I haven't actually reviewed yet, which I've picked up and thought actually I really would like to review all those, or maybe I've just done nothing with those yet. And then all these are, not that one, this one is full of products that maybe I don't use that often anymore. I've got rid of so much stuff to either Bee's friends who are in senior school or my friends' children. So let's just go downstairs. You can see down the stairs we go. We've got pictures of us all pulling funny faces on the left. I don't like to take life too seriously, and I don't like the kids to either. That's my eldest son, Yo. There's Seth and Beatrice. A house is made from walls and beams. A home is made from hopes and dreams. And I really do believe that. So we're going to go straight into the games room and the first living room. This is where the kids used to be all the time. They've sort of taken over my living room now. This is where they have their laptops and watch YouTube videos. They never watch me, by the way. It's quite depressing. They don't watch their mum. And that's Bee's favourite book at the moment. By the way, if you have a child who suffers with anxiety, this is a great book. Bee does suffer with anxiety. She's quite an anxious child, and that book has helped her no end. Abigail's World, and it's by Abigail Groves, and I think it's available at abigailsworld.com or .co.uk. Not quite sure which one, but it's an excellent book, and I highly recommend it for anybody that's got children who suffer with anxiety. So they used to play Xbox in here, but Christmas time, Seth got his own Xbox, and it's sort of migrated into my living room, which is in here. You will recognise little bits of this room because I often film in here because the natural lighting is absolutely amazing. I'll sit in the window seat and film. So you'll have seen maybe these two, or the curtains possibly, or the backdrop. Seth's little headphones there, and there's his Xbox down there, which really shouldn't have bothered. We've got the wall of pictures on here, which drives my uncle absolutely insane because they are all crooked. The kids play football in this room with a softball, by the way, but all the photos get a little bit skew with because the ball hits them constantly, and you'll see in the far corner the ball hit one of them and it ended up on the floor, smashed. So I need to get a frame to replace that. But you'll have seen this room quite a bit, and this is what I'm replying to all your comments with at the moment. An iPad that's about 10 years old and got that many blind spots, it's hardly usable. But I'm trying to stay in contact with everybody. Let's just go into here. This is the living room. Hi everybody, hi. Bit echoey in here. This is where you'll have seen us all. If you follow me on Instagram, this is where we all sat down and had Christmas dinner. And there is my MacBook Pro charger waiting for the return of the MacBook. So there's a little utility room in there. You'll see an alarm, or you'll hear an alarm going off at the moment. That's actually Seth's blood sugar at the moment. I've got these dotted all the way around the house, and if he goes low at any time, the alarm goes. But he'll be on it at school. I'll give them a call in about 5 minutes if that's still going off. So Bee's been doing some aqua beads over the weekend. So we've got aqua beads all over the place. And these are flowers that I actually got on Valentine's Day, and they are still alive, which really quite impressive. I mean, some are a little bit downtrodden now, but I think they still look nice. Oh, there's Margot. Hi, Margot. So we got the fridge and the freezer and the ovens, which one of them broke last week. Also, my dishwasher broke. I'm really not having a good time with things breaking on me, but I think the MacBook is the third thing that's broken, so everything happens in threes. Little downstairs loo there. So I'm hoping I am done. So this is where we leave the house tour. Thank you very much for coming on the tour with me. Hope to see you all on Thursday. Bye-bye.